I got this pizza stone. It's sort of a pizza set around Christmas time, and I'll kind of show you how it works. There's a book that came with it with instructions on all kinds of different doughs and different kinds of pizzas. So I made just a traditional pizza dough, and this is kind of my trial run. This is my first time actually using it. I'll put some pizza sauce on the dough, and I'm gonna put some turkey on. It's really just what we have laying around. That works. And I'll add the cheese. Now we'll put it in the oven. I have the oven set at 500 degrees. And I already preheated the stone. It was in there for about 20 minutes before I've put anything on there. We'll put it in there for 10 minutes. Grab the cutter. This is the first one that I made. We'll definitely need to let that cool for a little bit. Try a piece of it. I really like that. So on the bottom, it's still really nice and crusty. I think that's what the stone really helps with, is that even crust, as opposed to like a metal pan. I thought I may have made the crust a little bit thick, and I may have, but it's still cooked all the way through really good. It's not doughy in the middle, it's really airy and poofy. So I did the dough pretty good. It rose how I wanted it to. I really like it.